Hi again! In this video, we're going to define WordPress actions for a post. Start by selecting the article container and activate the PHP code preview in order to check the generated PHP code. Select the post image, and from the post section, select Post Thumbnail. Set the size property to full and set Add as a thumb check property. Now select the H3 title and add the title action from the post section. Then select the content paragraph, p tag, and add the content, again, from the post section. Now we're going to add a post class and add an ID to our post. Select the article container and add post class action. Next, add the ID action. Notice how ID and class attributes will be dynamically set by the PHP code. It's now time to save your template. In the next video, we'll create the WordPress loop to display our post.